Nah, lick your mirror, man. Nah, lick it. Don't do it. Ooh, that shit is lowered, bro. Yo, but that trade for you there, no? Yeah, switch. Some warm house. 250. Holy shit, 1 hour? So long we didn't have on the memory card, really. Dude, I gotta be tiptoeing on this like this thing tall, man. Hold up. Oh, something for going on. Yes, fam. Should be going right, fam. Cause if I go down so, I gotta go crossroad. And I wanna go to crossroads. It'll take me a while. Alright, you see them white line business here now. You see these lines that are dotted, you can overtake. But you see that line that is straight, you do not overtake on a straight line. You understand what I'm saying? But these lines that are dotted, you overtake once it's safe to do so. Same goes for cars. The code of the road, man. The code of the road. Check, go right. Check, go left. Merge up here, so I'm gonna take my time. Punch it in first gear, and I'm gonna stop right here. Merge left because this car is turning, and then I go back right. Oh my god, welcome to the traffic. Welcome to the traffic, boy. Gotta use your horn, man. I'm gonna take my time and go through the traffic, cause y'all saying I'm going through the traffic too fast. Y'all say I should take my time, and that's what I'm doing. My god, bro. Oh wow. Holy shabalulu. That car wants to turn, he's blocking my right. I don't have no rear brake as well, so it's gonna be a little bit harder, man. Cause we love to use our rear brake, you know? Yes, we do. So we're just gonna take our time. Take our time. Measure up these vehicles. Let me put my hand inside. I see you. I see you. Nah, lick your mirror, man. Nah, lick it. Taxi man, holy mirror. Oh my god, that's crazy, y'all. Y'all better be looking out your mirrors, man, cause I'm gonna hit your mirrors. Yeah, I know. Cause that's what we do. Yeah. Okay, that wasn't so bad. That wasn't so bad, man. Like, that was actually better than I thought it would be, man. So them traffic can now basically, oh, light now. Woo! Cut you off. That's how we do it. This car wants to turn right. Are you gonna do it? Don't do it. Ooh, that is lowered, bro. I'll take it out on the outside here, bro. Yeah, we gotta look up. Light don't change. Light don't change. Light don't change. Go, go. Oh, this Yo, this thing is giving me the shivers, man. Yo, I'm even a little bit stammer, man. I need back brakes, yo. Right there. Go on through, man. Missile a bus. Yo, bus a trade for you there, no? Bus a trade for your rest idea. Bus a trade for your rest idea. Yeah, switch. Missile! Oh, the Panda! For watching vehicle, everybody a turn out, brother. Everybody a try move out. Police. Oh, I knew that there was some bumps. Go on, missile boy. Oh, scooter dude out there, outside, boy. We outside, boy. Wish I knew how to do wheelies, man. I would just pop on right off the line, bro. Missile look nice with the red rims, the wet rims, the wet rims. Oh yeah. Nobody moves. This thing raw revs. Look at it, look at it, just look at it, man.
Just look at that.
Would
you just look at it?
Would you just look at it?
Bye, have a great time.
Lock up, brother, bomba. I'm gonna check down Alice. Off the line, boy! Let's go! Bomba! Look what that car that passed me a while ago. That dude almost rinsed me off this shit, man. Freaking bat brake. Let's see what Alison's bike shop is going on with. Got some Yamahas, 250. Timing change. Yeah, things are huge. Now try to get some engine bolts. I don't trust nobody down outside and I'm see two man sit down over there up and buy. You ever porn love messing with them heartbreakers, but she be getting money with the movies and the shakers. She was online, you know. Managed rider. I get the engine bolt. All me need next are the what me need next. I like go front of taxi man, you know. Cause they ever have some bad driving. Bombard! Watch your man them, look how them a drive. Feel like I wanna take on the traffic, boy. Woo. Let's go! Boy, I change lane and then I indicate, then I do nothing. I just, you have to read the pre-ment, you see me? Watch it. Slide right front time. No, sir. I'm going slow. Trip, splash, slippery. I wanted to go get it. I'm so slimy, grimy. Take up. Rev up your muffler then, let me hear it. Rev it up, man, let me hear it. No challenge. Yeah, yeah. Bombard the road black, you know. Bombard. Streets black. Me angle little wide, so me no want bounce your mirror, you see it? Bounty killer. Bombard. Holy shit. Woo. Yeah, boy. We're lawless. Brother, the traffic thick. Bomba! The traffic thick like a blouse and skirt carbill parrot. First gear me have to do it, you know. Beat it! The angle too wide, brother. I can't go through traffic with this. This thing is too wide, style. Never on the enemy. Bounty killer. I don't sacrifice the love life. Lawless up in this, boy. Yo, the traffic thick. Shit, man, don't you dare block me in, bro. Got your grandfather. Wiggle up this thing, yo. You have to wiggle, bro. If you don't wiggle, you're gonna hit some mirrors, man. You don't want to push it? Oh. Alright, bless up. Yo, my eyes are all over the place, yo, like everywhere. I see you, bro. I see you. What? Big squares. You have to mind that corner, you know, because traffic always around here, so can't too bust it around that corner here. Always check behind you. So me always try to stop in a one lane where a vehicle there, because that way the vehicle already stationary. So it lessens your chances of that vehicle hitting you. You see me? Now me respond me there now. A vehicle come up behind me, so I have to watch him. You understand what I say? Because he might come up, so I have to kind of watch him. Oh my God, bro! Sheesh! Damn, bro! This van just busted past me, man! Watch me out here. Damn that! What? Oh, that brother, man, all have integrated turn signal. Nice, a fret. So that's how I navigate the streets of Kingston. You know, I should have actually did a video. I should have actually spoke more about how I actually stay safe. But those are just a few things that I do. A few things of the many things that I actually do. You see me? One include looking ahead, cause the van there or Mazda something. Me see him brake, so me know say him a brake. So me start brake from them time. I see him brake there and then him brake. You understand? Woo! Yes sir! By jumping on that, I looked through window a while ago. He's like, what's going on? I'm not gonna hit you, man. I just put my feet down. I'm gonna be like the first biker who actually stops here. Like this. I thought that was my family's car. Yeah, holy moly, this bombard! Me a box of friend. Spray you there, bro, me boy. Hey, if one of them leave, they catch me now, sir. If one of them leave, they catch me, a problem. This car is going to turn right, so we go towards the left. Stay right in their path here. Increase speed. Woo! Slow down. Mana. Yes, sir. Go on there. I can pass you too. You better hurry up. Just respond me right respond the driver mirror there. Right in the line of sight. I'm right respond, me can't see out the road like so. Hey, when the one I ride a bike, you think it goes so easy? Them man they rinse out bike, yo. Them man they rinse out bike. Alright, when you're reaching at the square, like a square like this, just take your time. Nobody go too hard. You see me? Take a little time and go through the square, brother. You see me? There was an accident in my square last week. All because what go on. Yeah, run it so I catch me and try to catch you back, you know. Yeah? I lie, man. There, you know. I lie, I tell one. Yo, the angle is shorter than this. Yeah. Me say, it traffic a hell of a while ago to blow. Me see what you do, man.
Me say you put the brake and drop oil pressure a while ago. What's gone?
Yes, Shem. Old machine or new machine?
No, you know
like netball. Hey. Don't let me down, you know. Everything good still. So my work? This I'm bridging bike, man. Yeah, me there I go. Yeah, look, girl, as usual. As you, a man, we name now, I'm there. Yo, look more.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Yo, 155, I'm gonna make every ride in the
What that?
Only to be special.
The unlicensed. I wanted man, you want on me now. Lord seed. That might look like theater bike, so. Full rev down there, boy. If you condition myself, it take time. But this bike is like, come on, give me more. Give me more. 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 Oh man. Yeah. Yeah, dog, never hype you, man. Slow down around the corner of your car. When I wake up in the morning, I roll up and got my mind. I'm so heavy, I'm so heavy. Credit library has the another put me at day. I'm getting money, but I want more. Oh, na na na. Hey, 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 hey. Bomba! I feel like a hooligan dog. Blood seed. Save me my muffler in there on it, man. Sweet! Sweet rev. People ask me why I love bikes so. I mean, I grew up in a bike family, nothing. Nobody for me to ride bike. Nobody. Nobody. Oh, I love bikes, so I just a culture.